Playing first-person shooters and other games on the Xbox One and Xbox Series X vertical bar S is always fun. The console is powerful, and there are a lot of games that you can play on it too. The problem, though, is that if you're playing on a console and you turn on crossplay, you'll be put at a disadvantage against PC players that use a keyboard and mouse to play. The good news is that the Xbox is a very versatile console. You don't have to worry about being at a disadvantage during crossplay, as you can use your own keyboard and mouse on the console. There are quite a few devices that are compatible with the Xbox consoles. If you want to get the most out of your money, then you might want to consider an option from this video of the best Xbox keyboards right now. HyperX is one of the most popular brands in the gaming industry. They've got a model for nearly every gaming peripheral that you can think of right now. If there's one that's going to meet your Xbox needs, it has to be the Hyper Alloy Origins Core keyboard. We're taking a look at the HyperX Alloy Origins Core today, and we have to say, we're impressed. This keyboard is purpose-built for gamers, with features like N-key rollover and anti-ghosting to make sure that every keystroke is registered, no matter how fast or frenzied the game gets. The backlighting is bright and attractive, and the keycaps are double-shot injected for durability, and best of all, it's available at a very reasonable price point. If you're in the market for a gaming keyboard, the Alloy Origins Core should definitely be on your shortlist. The performance of the HyperX Alloy Origins Core is well worth the price. It's an amazing device that's going to meet your needs in terms of overall performance and inclusions. It has great response rates and the keys are very comfortable to use as well. We did find a couple of minor nitpicks, however. First, the USB cable is non-detachable, which means that if it ever gets damaged, you'll have to replace the entire keyboard. This might be worrisome for others, but as long as you have a dedicated space for gaming, the wire should stay safe from damage. Second, there's no dedicated software support, so you can't customize the backlighting or macros. Overall, though, these are minor quibbles in an otherwise excellent product. This is a minor problem that really shouldn't affect your gaming experience too much. You can still enjoy this device and its amazing performance without these features. Corsair is one of the tried and tested names when it comes to peripherals for gaming and general PC use. You shouldn't be surprised to see one of their products on this video. When it comes to devices for the Xbox, the best they offer is the Corsair K63. Corsair's K63 designed for use with Microsoft's consoles. It features backlit keys, a detachable wrist rest, and Corsair's trademark Cherry MX Red mechanical switches. Thanks to its great build, selection of features, and overall great design, you're getting your money's worth with the K63 keyboard for the Xbox. The only real problem that one might have with the keyboard is that it doesn't have as good a battery life compared to other selections on this video. Lucky for us, the keyboard supports wired gaming, so the subpar battery life isn't a major problem. Any gamer looking for a high-quality gaming keyboard should strongly consider the K63 for Xbox. If you're a PC gamer, chances are you're familiar with Razer. They're one of the most popular gaming peripheral brands out there, and they make some pretty great stuff. Today we're taking a look at their Turret wireless mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse, which is designed specifically for use with the Xbox One. So, what's the big deal with this keyboard and mouse? Well, for starters, they're both wireless. That means no more dealing with pesky wires getting in the way of your gameplay. The keyboard has Razer mechanical switches, which are designed to withstand up to 60 million keystrokes. They also have a 10-key rollover, so you can press multiple keys at the same time and have them all register. The mouse has a 16,000 dpi optical sensor, so it's plenty sensitive for even the most intense gaming sessions. One of the coolest features of the Turret is the magnetic charging dock. This allows you to keep both the keyboard and mouse charged and ready to go without having to worry about batteries. The dock also has a built-in RGB light, so you can customize the look of your gaming setup. This is the only item on this video that features both a mouse and a keyboard, making it a great bargain overall.